will start puja. Agajanana Padmarkam Gajanana Maharnisham Anekatantam Bhaktanam Ekatantam Upasmahe. Please ring the bell. Agamarthantu Devanam Gamanarthantu Rakshasam Kuru Khantaravam Tatra Devata Akvanaranchanam. Decorate the big lamp with some flowers and offer akshata to the lamp. Apavitra pavitroma sarma vasthangato bhima yasmaret pundarikaksham sabakhyabhyantara suchihi. Take a spoonful of water and sprinkle on yourself. Achamya. Now achamanam. If you know your customary achamanam, you can do it now. For others, here I am giving one particular variety of achamanam called Purana achamanam. Take a spoonful of water from the Panchapatram and pour it on your right palm and sip it. 3 times you have to do this when I say Swaha. Om Keshavaya Swaha, Om Narayanaya Swaha, Om Madhavaya Swaha. Govindaya Namaha, Vishnave Namaha, Madhusudanaya Namaha, Trivikramaya Namaha, Vamanaya Namaha, Sridharaya Namaha, Rishikeshaya Namaha, Padmanabhaya Namaha, Damodaraya Namaha, Sankarshanaya Namaha, Vasudevaya Namaha, Pradyumnaya Namaha, Aniruddhaya Namaha, Purushottamaya Namaha, Adhokshaya Namaha, Narasimhaya Namaha, Achyutaya Namaha, Janardhanaya Namaha, Upendraya Namaha, Haraye Namaha, Sri Krishnaya Namaha. Uttishtantu bhota pisyachaha ete bhumi bharakaha eteshama virodhena brahma karma samarabhe. Sprinkle akshata underneath your seat and around you. Shuklam baradharam vishnum shashivarnam chaturbhujam prasannavadanam dhyayet sarva vighunopasyantaye. Pujam karishye. Again touch the water in your tumbler. Tadangatvena kalasha pujam karishye. Again touch the water in your tumbler. Kalasham gandha pushpachatair abhyarcha. Apply gandham, that is sandal paste, on the 4 sides of your tumbler. Apply kunkumam over the gandham. Drop a small flower into the water. Tadupari hastam nidhaya. Close the tumbler with your right palm till the following mantras are chanted. Kalasasya mukhe Vishnuhu kanthe rudrasamasritaha moole tatrasthito brahma madhye matrugana smritaha kukshautu sagara sarve saptadvipa vasundhara rugvedodha yajurveda samavedokya dharvanaha angaischa sahita sarve kalashambu samasritaha ayantu deva pujardham durutakshayakarakaha gange cha yamune chaiva godavari saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru Apo Vajitakum Sarvam Vishwa Bhutanyapa Pranava Apa Pashava Apo Namapo Mritamapa Sambradapo Viradapa Swaradapa Chanda Gusyapo Jyote Gusyapo Yajo Gusyapo Satyamapa Sarva Devata Apo Bhurbhuvassu Varapavom. Now take out your palm from the tumbler. Kalashodakena puja dravyani devamantapam atmanam samprokshya. Now take spoonfuls of water from your tumbler and sprinkle it on the puja materials you have kept around you, on the platform and on yourself also. Now you have to do Ganadhipati puja to the photo or idol of Ganapati you kept on the platform. Mentally visualize the Ganapati form for a few seconds. Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Kumhavamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamasravasthamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasrunvan Notibhisi Dasadanam Om Mahaganadhipatim Dhyayami Avahayami Afarakshatas Asanam Samarpayami Afarakshatas Padayoha Padyam Samarpayami. Offer a spoonful of water in the cup. Hastayoha Arghyam Samarpayami. Offer a spoonful of water in the cup. Mukhe Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Again water in the cup. Then sprinkle water on the deity. Om Mahaganapatiye Aupacharika Snanam Samarpayami. Snananantaram Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Offer a spoonful of water in the cup. Vastrartham Akshatan Samarpayami. Offer akshatas to the deity. Yajñapamitartham akshatan samarpayami. Again akshata. Gandhandharayami. Apply gandham to Ganapati. Apply kunkumam over the gandham. Gandhasyopari alankaranartham haridra kunkumam samarpayami. Pushpai pujayami. Now offer flowers to Ganapati. Om Sumukhaya Namaha, Om Ekadantaya Namaha, ఓం కపిలాయ నమః, ఓం గజకర్ణికాయ నమః, ఓం లంబోదరాయ నమః, ఓం వికటాయ నమః, ఓం విఘ్నరాజాయ నమః, ఓం గణాధిపాయ నమః, ఓం ధూమకేతవే నమః, ఓం గణాధ్యక్షాయ నమః, ఓం ఫాలచంద్రాయ నమః, ఓం గజాననాయ నమః, ఓం వక్రతుండాయ నమః, ఓం శూర్పకర్ణాయ నమః, ఓం హేరంబాయ నమః, ఓం స్కందపూర్వజాయ నమః, ఓం మహాగణపతయే నమః. నానావిధ పరిమళ పత్ర పుష్పాణి సమర్పయామి. Now light agarbatti and show it to Ganapati. Mahaganapataye dhupamagrapayami. Show the small lamp to Ganapati. Deepandarshayami. Now Naivedyan to Ganapati. You can offer any fruits as Naivedyan. Keep the fruits in front of Ganapati. Take a spoonful of water in your right hand. ఓం భూర్భువస్సువః తత్సవితుర్వరేణ్యం భర్గో దేవస్య ధీమహి ధియో యో నః ప్రచోదయాత్. Sprinkle the water in your right hand on the fruits. దేవసవిత ప్రసువ సత్యం త్వత్యేన పరిషించామి. Take a spoonful of water in your right hand and pour it around the fruits as a circle. Amrutamastu. Offer a spoonful of water in the cup. Amrutopastaranamasi swaha. Ring the bell. Now show the Naivedyam to Ganapati as an offering. Om Pranaya Swaha, Om Apanaya Swaha, Om Yanaya Swaha, Om Udanaya Swaha, Om Samanaya Swaha, Om Brahmane Swaha, Om Mahaganapati Phalani Naivedyam Samarpayami. Madhye Madhye Paniyam Samarpayami. Offer a spoonful of water in the cup. Tambulam Samarpayami. Offer betel leaves and nuts. Now light the camphor. Ring the bell. Show the lighted camphor to Ganapati. Karpura Nirajanam Darshayami. Nirajananantaram Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Offer water in the cup. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha. Avighnam Kuru Medeva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami. Offer flowers to Ganapati. Atma Pradakshana Namaskaram Samarpayami. Please get up if possible and turn yourself 3 times in clockwise direction and prostrate. You can offer flowers also. Sarvopachara Pujam Samarpayami. Yasya Sprutya cha namoktya tapah puja kriyadishu nyonam sampurnatam yati sadyo vande tamachyutam mantrahinam kriyahinam bhaktihinam ganadhipa yat pujitam maya deva paripurnam tadastute anaya shodasopachara pujaya bhagavan sarvadevatmakah Sri Mahaganapati Suprita Suprasanno Varado Bhavatu. Take some flowers and akshata. With a spoonful of water, leave them in the cup. Mama Ishtakamyartha Palasiddhirastu. Mahaganapati Prasadam Shirasa Grunhami. Take some flowers from the feet of the Ganapati and adore them on yourself as prasadam. Now we will start